Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I am going to be sharing this quick makeup look with you all. You can wear it every day to your office, and you can even wear it on the festive season, which is just around the corner. So the first thing I do is I do my skincare, guys. Before doing my makeup, I always make sure that I have good sunscreen and moisturizer on. After that, I move on to concealing the face. As you can see, I have a bit of pigmentation and dark circles, so here I'm going to be using two concealer, and this is the hack I do all the time and it works so well for me. So you need a concealer two shades darker than your skin tone and a concealer which is two shades lighter than your skin tone. So what it is going to do is it will not only conceal the face, it will also help in highlighting the face. So I just take my finger and start to blend it. It is going to be very easier with the finger, guys, because there is going to be body heat and it melts the concealer away in your skin like magic. It blends it perfectly, and I take like good 2 to 3 minutes, and once you get done with the blending, you're gonna have a beautifully concealed face. After that, I am gonna be moving on to foundation, and take any foundation which works well for you. I always look forward to have a foundation which has a bit of coverage and which is really hydrating for the skin. And I never use beauty blender with my foundation because it absorbs most of the product, so it doesn't work well for me. But here is a foundation brush that I use, and I also use to blend the foundation in a circular motion like this. It is just gonna give you effect, just a skin like effect, more perfect one. So again, I'm gonna take 2 to 3 minutes with blending it out, and yeah, it took me a bit of time to find out my shade which was perfect for my skin tone. And there most of the times, even with the foundation, guys, I mix two shades. So once I get done with blending it out, we are gonna be moving on to a face powder, and I just use the face powder under my eyes because I want to set the concealer. And then a blush is a must for me. I love this one. It has coral shade and also a nude shade. I mix them both and I apply it on my cheek also in the upward motion, so that it helps in uplifting the whole face. A bit on the nose. Color is always good to have on the face. And then I move on to lips. Now I will be lining my lips. If you want to have beautiful sculpted lips, make sure that you go for a lip pencil because it just helps in plumping them up, make them better. And after that, you can just fill the lipstick inside. It is going to be a really easy hack and will make a huge difference. So here I have a very beautiful pink color, and there are times I always make sure that I mix and match my lipstick. So here is a beautiful pink shade, and if I think that it is washing my face a bit out, I will do a red on the top, not like very significantly, just a bit of red on the top. And believe me, it is gonna turn your whole look around, and I love to do this with my lipstick. After that, we are gonna be moving on to mascara, guys. So the first step is always gonna be curling the lashes. Take 30 to 20 seconds with curling the lashes, and then a good mascara. And today, guys, for this makeup look, the mascara which I'm gonna be using is gonna be Mama Earth Lash Care Volumizing Mascara. I love it because it is completely safe to use and it stays for 12 hours, and it also helps in giving you 2-time instant volume. It is enriched with almond oil and castor oil, and it is also water resistant, guys. So I just apply it and it helps me in giving bigger and fuller lashes immediately. If you use my code Ritu2022 to buy this, you're gonna get extra 20% off on official website. The brand is plastic positive, guys, and every time you buy from them, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The product is also gonna be available on Amazon, Nykaa, and Mama Earth official website and application. They have their application, guys. The link is also gonna be in the description box below. The best part about this one is it doesn't have any harmful chemicals and no parabens or sulfates. So by this, we are done with today's video. I really hope that you liked the video and you really like the finished look. I absolutely loved it, and it took me like less than 5 minutes. See you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.